Hi everybody, I am Mr. Campbell from Mr. Campbell Rocks, and today's tutorial is part of a series called Parent's Guide to Google Classroom. Today we're talking about settings. That's settings for the student who is the end user. We'll talk about parent settings in the next video. In the navigation bar at the top, most normally you're going to be here where it has Classroom. If we click on the 3-line or the hamburger button next to Google Classroom, we're going to go down to the little gear icon where it says settings. And this is where your student or you as a parent will be able to help your student control their notifications and their alerts and settings when working in Google Classroom. If we click on email notifications, if we turn that off, there will be 0 notifications with this classroom, which probably isn't wise as a student. You want to get notifications of when your teacher adds, edits, returns, grades your assignments or your work. So as you scroll through, I'm not going to go through every single one of those. We have a comment section, a classes that you're enrolled in section, and class notifications. Now, these, when you click them off, you will not get notifications anymore. It needs to be clear. So I recommend, depending on how you want to have your recommendations, is to have the classes that you're enrolled in. And you can see here the options: work or posts from other teachers, invitations to join a class as a student, due dates and reminders of your work. That is great, and it's fantastic for a student. There are other notifications, as we'll talk about in the next video, where parents can receive weekly or daily alerts or progress reports on how their students are doing. Again, I want to thank you for your time. If you're here, you're a parent or an educator looking to make things easier for your students in Google Classroom. I love you. I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.